Okay, so we have the Dino Egg Dig Kit from Michaels.
And we
Ryan.
got a volcano too.
We also got their volcano kit, and Ryan and Mommy are going to open this box. This is a fun STEM activity you can do, and we are going to make a dino egg. So let's get started. Okay, so inside this kit, we've got 2 dinosaur figures. We've got 2 digging bricks. We also have a digging tool, our learning guide, which is what Ryan has here, which will let us know what different dinosaurs we have. And we also have our brush.
What is it? What is this?
That's your digging tool and your brush. Incredible dinosaurs! Is there anybody who isn't fascinated by dinosaurs? These great beasts roamed the land for 160 million years before becoming extinct around 65 million years ago. Dinosaur fossils have been found on every continent, including Antarctica. There are over 1,000 species known. Some ate plants, others ate meat, some walked on all fours, others stood on 2 feet, and some could do both. While we think of dinosaurs as enormous beasts, most were about the size of a human being. The smallest dinosaurs were not much bigger than a pigeon you might see at the park. Complete dinosaur skeletons are extremely rare, and many reconstructions of dinosaurs rely on bones from several different individuals of the same species. The first real identification of dinosaur fossils into groups happened less than 200 years ago. Modern scientists are discovering fossils and learning things about dinosaurs every day. So, here are 6 dinosaurs that we might be discovering. So the first is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's one of Ryan's favorites. Then we've got the Brachiosaurus. That's the dinosaur with the long neck. Then we have the Parasauriferous, which is the one that kind of has like that pointy horn on top. The Stegosaurus, the Spinosaurus, and then my favorite, the Triceratops. So, to get started with our dig kit, first we need to make sure we are on the English side, which ironically has the British flag, but obviously they speak English over there too. So, we've got to prepare our workstation. So, this science digging thing can be messy, so we want to make sure that we place our dig brick on a sturdy paper plate or newspaper. If the weather's nice, we can do that outside, but right here in Texas, it's super cold, so we're not gonna do that. So let's make sure we get our area ready for digging, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, this is gonna be our digging station, and these are what's considered our bricks or dinosaur eggs, where Ryan will be able to see which dinosaur's in here. So what I'm gonna do is take off this paper that's wrapped in, and then Ryan can use his tools. He's got a digging tool and a brush where he can dig out the animal. So I'm gonna add just a little water. And then Ryan's gonna get to work. All right, Ryan, it's your turn. Oh, look at you go. Here, you wanna scoot closer? There you go. All right, so whenever you find a specimen, make sure to excavate all the way around it. Patience is key so as to not damage the fragile specimens. Do not try to pry out a specimen that is partially excavated or it may break. So you gotta dig very carefully, okay? And if you can't finish it tonight, we can always finish it tomorrow, okay? So maybe we just do one tonight and one tomorrow.
This one?
Yeah, let's maybe save that one for tomorrow and you just do that one tonight. Ryan is the scientist.
No dinosaur.
You're digging for the dinosaur.
Where's the dinosaur? Is there no...
You need some help?
Oh, look at you.
Look at me. I'm trying to help you.
I don't see no dinosaurs yet.
Me either. We gotta keep going. So I have helped Ryan get it to where we can see. Now he's just gonna finish digging. Here, you're gonna hurt yourself. So this is where we were at, right here. And we just
We don't want to hurt it.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt it. Ooh, it's a triceratops. And whenever we get him out, we'll have to clean him up. Ryan will have to rinse him in some water.
This is the water.
Okay, so then you can dip him in there. Not yet. We gotta get him out of the egg, see? How are we gonna get him out? He's in here good. We have to excavate him out. Can you say excavate?
Excavate.
Okay. Ooh! And now he's out. Now I'm gonna take your little duster and we can dust him off and get him all cleaned up. All right, you got him all clean?
I just don't want to go to sleep.
I know. There's your duster for you to dust him off. Let me see you dust him. Awesome. He's all clean now. Hold him up. Let me see him. Hi, Triceratops. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for doing the dino digging with
We're
us.
gonna do another one later.
And we'll do another one later. Bye. Ryan has to go to bed now.
I just don't want you.